How often should I deep clean my memory foam mattress?
Are you wondering how often to deep clean your memory foam mattress? In this video, we'll guide you through the recommended frequency, steps, and tips to keep your mattress clean and fresh. Let's dive in.
Why is it important to deep clean a memory foam mattress?
Memory foam mattresses can accumulate dust mites, allergens, and odors over time. Deep cleaning not only helps in maintaining a fresh and clean sleep environment but also extends the life of your mattress.
How often should you deep clean your memory foam mattress?
To keep your mattress in top condition, it's recommended to deep clean it every 6 to 12 months. However, you may need to clean it more frequently if you have allergies or respiratory issues, pets, or spill accidents.
What are the steps to deep clean a memory foam mattress?
1. Vacuum. Start by vacuuming the entire surface of the mattress using a vacuum cleaner's upholstery attachment. 2. Spot clean. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Apply the solution to any stains and let it sit for a few minutes before blotting with a clean cloth. 3. Deodorize. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda over the entire mattress surface. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight for best results, then vacuum it up. 4. Air dry. Allow the mattress to air dry completely before putting on any bedding.
How can you maintain your memory foam mattress between deep cleans?
1. Use a mattress protector. A waterproof, hypoallergenic protector will shield your mattress from spills, allergens, and dust mites. 2. Rotate your mattress. Rotate your mattress every 3 to 6 months to distribute wear and tear evenly. 3. Regularly vacuum. Vacuum your mattress once a month to remove surface dust and allergens. 4. Air it out. Allow your mattress to air out by removing the bedding and opening windows in the room. Deep cleaning your memory foam mattress every 6 to 12 months will keep it fresh and allergen-free, providing you with a comfortable and healthy sleep environment. Don't forget to maintain it between deep cleans with the tips provided above. Sweet dreams!